Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to see the iconic Statue of Liberty for free, using the Staten Island Ferry. That's right, you don't need to spend any money to get a fantastic view of the Statue of Liberty. The Staten Island Ferry offers a completely free ride with amazing views of one of the world's most famous landmarks. The ferry departs from Whitehall Terminal in Lower Manhattan, right by Battery Park. It's easy to access via subway, with several stations nearby. Once you're on board, head to the right side of the ferry for the best views. As we cruise across the harbor, you'll get an incredible sight of the Statue of Liberty up close. The ferry ride lasts about 25 minutes one way, giving you plenty of time to soak in the view and snap some stunning photos of the statue, with the New York skyline as a backdrop.
Yourself with the location of life jackets on this ferry. They are located in marked lockers and bins along the cabin walls. See instructions for their use, which are posted in red frames throughout the ferry. For assistance, see uniformed crew members located on each deck. Thank you for riding the Staten Island Ferry.
When you reach Staten Island, just disembark and hop back on the ferry for the return trip. You'll get to enjoy the view of Lady Liberty all over again, without spending a dime.
Are to remain off stairs, ramps, and landings until the ferry has come to a complete stop at the terminal. Remain behind the designated barriers for docking. Failure to do so could result in serious injury. Please check and ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you as you leave the ferry. Please place all trash in the receptacles provided throughout the ferry.
Whether you take the ferry during the day or night, the views are equally stunning. During the day, the statue glows in the sunlight, and at night, it's beautifully illuminated. Whether it's winter or summer, the ferry ride offers a unique experience. During the summer, you can enjoy the warm breeze, while in the winter, you can cozy up indoors and still enjoy the views through large windows.
Everyone has to exit the ferry. This ferry's out of service. Hold ashore, please, hold ashore.
There's no need to pre-book or schedule your ferry ride. Just show up, hop on, and enjoy. It's one of the easiest and most spontaneous ways to see the Statue of Liberty. The ferry is clean, safe, and spacious, with both indoor and outdoor seating options. So even if the weather isn't ideal, you can still enjoy the ride comfortably. This is an amazing opportunity for anyone visiting New York on a budget or who simply wants to enjoy an iconic New York experience. So, don't miss out. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick guide on how to see the Statue of Liberty for free from the Staten Island Ferry. It's a must-do when you're in New York. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and vlogs. See you in the next one.
Listen for announcements and instructions from the crew. Please familiarize yourself with the location of life jackets of this ferry. They are located in marked lockers and bins along the cabin walls. See you.